Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template RPS touchscreen special for Renault Clio 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, here is the interface. You can check this dash kit will come with head unit. Okay. And this one also comes with head units. It comes with special harness and canvas box. You can check this canvas box, and this special harness and connector will come with head units. You can check. Okay. Please take out screw protector before using. This screw protector. Okay. Let me show it. There is a taskbar. You can adjust the brightness, its darkness. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, let me back to home. You can choose time. You also can choose logo. There is 2 SD card slots with buttons and the built-in microphone and the reset hole these buttons. Okay. You also can change the logo Renault. Okay, it's a Renault logo. Okay, let me check the settings. About motion, you can check MCU, CPU, Octa core memory size 4GB, it's PX5 Android 9 Pi system. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the internet. It connects Wi-Fi. You can open the YouTube. You can watch video. Volume. Okay. Let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay. You can check all apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. Let me introduce Bluetooth. This is pin number 40. Let me find my friend. And please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, then click search button. It gets the Galaxy S8. Please click pair. Your phone will get command here. You can check it. Put the 40. Click OK, and pair it. It's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay. You also can stream music from your phone. This radio. Let me check the. Sorry. It have problem for this HDMI. Let me choose the original launcher. This radio. Let me find the music, streaming music from your phone. Okay, it's play automatically. It's volume control. This is Wi-Fi not good. Let me. Okay. Okay, this is Bluetooth from your phone. Stop. Okay, let me introduce the music. It's built in the link. It's for waiting for connect your phone for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's supported. Okay. Let me connect USB from. You can check this to USB. This USB driver. When you connect USB driver, it play music automatically. It's an amplifier. You can check this support split model. You can change either. It can support running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Let me check video disabled in your safety. So you need to change it in the settings. Car setting, driver setting, turn on the watch video. Please choose 4K. This 4K sends some 4K demo video around the world. Okay, let me back the home. It supports Android Auto and CarPlay, but you need to buy it extra. Okay, it's built in the easy connection for Mirrorlink. It's Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi support it. It's a fast response. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You can check the whole head unit. Let me check the camera. You can check this whole head unit. Okay, that's all. Thank you.